5,000 crore to different industries in the state to attract investments, foster the industrial growth, and generate employment opportunities. Our government, through Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, has decided to allot industrial plots of approximately 3,500 acres to support and encourage the industrialization in the state. Recognizing the growth demand for industrial land, our government has decided to notify 10,000 acres land for the industrial purpose. Our government has decided to develop 10 integrated industrial parks and integrated logistical parks to enhance industrial growth, improve supply chain efficiency, and create a world-class business ecosystem. Our government has approved to launch the Maharashtra Technical Textile Mission to strengthen and expand the state's textile sector. Maharashtra has become the first state in the country to launch such a mission aligned with the center's National Technical Textile Mission, reinforcing its leadership in the textile industry. Our government has participated as a knowledge partner state in the global event organized by the Government of India, BharatTex 2025 in New Delhi from 4th to 17th February 2025. This has helped the textile products of the state to get access to the global market. It will generate investment and employment opportunities in the state textile sector. Our government has set up an open market in Jalna district to purchase the sale of silk cocoons and to support the silk cocoon producer farmers in that region. The construction of the market has been completed and it will be opened soon for the farmers. It will increase the productivity of silk cocoon in the region. Our government has launched Chief Minister Yuva Karya Prakshikshan scheme to increase the employability of the state youths and to provide skilled manpower for the industries. Under this scheme, more than 132,000 youths have undergone the training. For the year 2024-25, government has set a target to train 10 lakh youths and has allocated rupees 5,500 crore for this purpose. In the year 2024-25, our government has organized 611 Pandit Deenadayal job fairs at the district levels across Maharashtra to connect the unemployed youths with the industries and create employment opportunities. In the state, over 19,000 candidates have secured jobs this year. Our government is implementing the 3-2-3 program to achieve the goal of dynamic and good governance. This program will focus on government process re-engineering, enhancing employee efficiency, and developing an integrated human resource ecosystem. To achieve transformation through training, our government has initiated the registration process of approximately 5 lakh employees in the iCard system under the Karmayogi Bharat program. This will ensure that the training is provided to all employees. The Sevak Karmi Award program will be implemented to encourage administrative departments in achieving dynamic and quality-oriented work objectives. Our government has decided to undertake the construction of Nagpur-Goa Shaktibeet Expressway. This expressway will be completed after taking all persons into confidence. This expressway will connect major religious and pilgrimage sites along with the route. This expressway will not only reduce the travel time but also foster economic growth in the region. The estimated cost of the project is rupees 86,300 crores. Our government has decided to construct 7,480 km long roads with cement concretization under various schemes of Public Works Department to enhance road durability, improve connectivity, and ensure safer and more efficient transportation across the state. Our government has decided to collect toll charges through FASTag only at all toll plazas across the state from 1st April 2025 to enhance efficiency, reduce congestion at toll plazas, and promote digital transactions. Under the centrally sponsored PM E-Bus Seva Yojana, in the first phase, 1,290 buses have been sanctioned for 20 municipal corporations, and financial assistance will be provided for developing bus